It's Tina Create the Heart, and I am going to go over two class kits for two virtual events that are happening very soon, so you can get an idea of what's in these kits if you decide this is something you might want to do. And the other thing I'm going to talk about first is an actual in-person event that I'm going to be going to, and I'm actually very excited about it. It is not cheap. It is quite expensive. You get quite a bit with it, and that's the thing about virtual events versus in-person events. In-person events tend to be a lot more money. I mean, without even like thinking about how much it costs to get to the event, such as, travel expenses and all of that. These events, usually they have to rent a space. Usually there's food included. And so they are more expensive. I have not been to an in-person event in forever. I haven't even been to Scrapbook Expo in like 5 years at least. Ever since they moved it away from Orange County, they had it at Pomona. Now they have it all the way in Ontario. So I just don't go. But this event, I'm very excited because I love Mama Elephant. It's this Let's Create. It's always an adventure creates with Mama Elephant. And so it's always an adventure. They do quite a few different events. They've done a couple Lawn Fawn events, which I haven't really gone to because Lawn Fawn opens up their studio like a couple times a year, and it's in Irvine, and so it's very close to me. So Mama Elephant, this is the first time I believe they've ever been sort of close by. So this event's going to be February 20th and 21st, 2026. Friday and Saturday. The Friday event's an evening event, and then the Saturday is an all-day thing. It's at Hotel Zessa in Santa Ana, California. I grew up in Anaheim, and I actually live about 10 or 15 minutes away from Disneyland. So Santa Ana is very close to me. And so I was excited about it, even though it's very expensive. But Lori Craig, Christina Werner, Laura Basson, and Julie Kelly are going to be doing the classes. So it's going to be pretty amazing, and I'm really hoping that there are some crafty friends that are going to be going to this because I would love to meet you. So let me just go over really quickly what it is. It's a 2-day adventure. It costs $469. I paid $199 registration fee now, which is available until November 30th. So if you just wanted to pay a down payment, you could do that. And then the balance is due in January, $270 in January. So let's see, what's included? 10 full hours of classes and a crafty social on Friday evening featuring make and takes and your chance to meet all of the amazing people that are going to be there. Julie Kelly is the owner of Pear Blossom Press. Or no, the owner of Pear Blossom Press is Amanda Stevens. Dessert bar on Friday evening. They have a photo booth, and then a swag bag, a retail shop, an optional card swap. You get a catered lunch on Saturday, a catered dinner on Saturday, closing ceremonies. Okay, so Friday you'll be doing advanced or alcohol marker skills with Lori Craig. So you'll be doing a technique-driven class, and you'll do the card swap and the crafty social. You'll get to do at least 7 different make and takes, and they'll have a mini dessert bar and a souvenir photo. That's on Friday, and of course the shop. And then Saturday you get lunch and dinner, and then you get a bunch of classes that you get to do for the day, and then closing ceremonies. So you get a lot, plus you get to meet everybody amazing, and I'm really, really excited about it. So I've already done my registration, and so I just I just need to pay the balance. But anyway, it's going to be great. And if anybody on here is going to be going, let me know, because I'd love to meet you. And I think that'd be really fun to meet people at this event that I'm going to be going to in February. All right, let's get into the 2 virtual classes. So Tailored Expressions does 2 big events. They do their in-person Stamp Joy in early fall, which they just had, and then they do a virtual component that is like I don't know, I think an early bird was like $89 or something like that, that you could register for. And it's done like a couple weeks after the in-person event. And then they have their spring all virtual event, which I'll be doing that one as well. They'll be opening up to, pay for that very soon. So that's something you're interested in. And what makes Tailored Expressions a little bit different than the other virtual events is that they cut everything for you in advance. They cut all the paper, everything. If there's additional product, you don't have to buy it. They put it in your kit. And so it's really great. And then you get a class kit. You get an opportunity to buy, early release products. They give you a little discount, and it's just fun. So this is the kit for this virtual component of their Stamp Joy. So we are going to be doing, I think, 4 classes, and this is the class kit called Foliage and Feather. And I want to say that they've already released these, but maybe they're different sizes, or I don't know, but I feel like I might have that stamp set. But so you get this, and then you get the dies that go with it, and this die right here, you get this floral, which is kind of fun, all in one piece. And then we're getting this teal mirror mats. So, because we're going to do, I guess, a mirrored image, and I'll show you the example. But everything is cut. So if there's a piece of a die or stamp you don't have, they put that in there for you. You also get envelopes and seals, and then you get all the goodies to make all the different projects. So we're going to make 4 cards, okay? And then, so here is Timeless Techniques. It gives you an idea. We're going to do some mirrored stamping probably with this stamp set. So they give you a printed color book, and I'll put everything back in here so I have it. But what really makes this one fun, it is not cheap. About the same price as a lot of the other virtual events. You just don't get as much product with these because they spend all their money on cutting up everything. And so to me, it's a nice change of pace to have everything ready to go, because then I could just do the event. I don't have to do any prep at all for it. So there's that. I'm going to put this somewhere. I'm like, I'm running out of space of like shoving things. Okay. And then the second one I'm doing is this one right here, which is Pink and Nain's Joyful Holiday Virtual Event. And this is like the first one that they've done. They did their foiling event, which is, I think, the very first virtual event they ever did. I don't know. So there's all the things. Okay, do I have everything? Okay. So first of all, they did send me the stamp and die freebie for spending a certain amount. So this was, I don't know what month this was, August maybe. So I got the stamp and the die. So that was kind of fun. That was a fun little freebie that we got. And then we have this Joyful Holidays Foilables sheet and a full thing of the Joyful Holidays patterned paper. And then the rest of the kit is in here. Now, you have an option to purchase cardstock or whatever, but I have tons of cardstock, so I'm not super, like, worried about that at all. So they have, like, a little sheet that tells you all the things that come in your kit. I'll just go over that. So we went over that. We have this stencil. So the stencil works with the Joyful Holidays set, and then they have little borders that you can use as well. And so that stamp set is this one right here. It's a really big stamp set, and I love it. Super, super cute. I'm very excited to be using this. And so this stencil works with this stamp set. And then we get the dies that go with it. And then there is a really fun embossing folder, which I don't have something like this, so that's fun. It's a 6x6 embossing folder. And then we do get sentiments, and these are great sentiments, and I love the font. And we also get the dies that go with that, so that's great. And then we get these dies. These are the stitched pointed banner dies, which I think they would also make fabulous tags. So that looks fun. And then we've got some embossing powder. We have the emerald embossing powder. we have some sequins. And we have, these are enamel shapes. And then we've got one of their, I don't know what you call these little covers that you can use for like shakers. We get one of these because we must be doing a shaker card for the event. So those are the 2 virtual events that I have upcoming for like fall and winter. I don't think I'm doing anything else. And so anyway, let me know if you guys are going to be going to the Mama Elephant event. I'd be so excited to meet any of you guys who are planning on going. And, you know, I'm going to do the make the card exchange thing. I'm going to do that. So, and I'm not going to work on it until after Christmas rush is over of making cards. By the way, I will have to say that you guys are going to see a lot of Christmas cards because I have been tasked to make cards for my boyfriend's catering business. And so I have to make about 100 cards, which is fine. I've already got a good start on it. I have so much stuff to make cards with, so it's not a big deal. It's just finding the time. But anyway, be staying tuned for that. And thanks for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.